Hi, Woody here. Just a quick explainer to tell you who studies what, depending on whether you're studying paper 2 or 3. So if you're doing the full A-level, then you'll be doing paper 3. Because if you're doing the full A-level, you will be doing either paper 1, 3, 4 and 5, or 1, 3, 5 and 6. Either way, you're doing paper 3, and for you, you have to do everything in this course. So this is very easy for you, and you can skip this now. Everything in this course is relevant to you. If, however, you're doing AS level mathematics and you've chosen the paper 1 and paper 2 option, well then you don't do everything in this course. Here's what you'll do. You'll cover the first 6 sections of this course. That's algebra, logarithms and exponential functions, trigonometry, differentiation, integration, and numerical solutions to equations. And you'll stop there. For everyone doing paper 3, you'll continue on to do the final 5 sections, further algebra, further integration, vectors, differential equations and complex numbers. Hope that all makes sense. If you've got any questions about which topics you're doing, feel free to get in touch in the Q&A.